Its latest update in the political fight of Kejriwal versus the centre in a fresh attack on the centre. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has tweeted indicating that the CBI is working at the instructions of the government. In his tweet, he says, a CBI officer told me yesterday that CBI has been asked to target all the opposition parties and finish those who don't fall in line. We have Pooja who's joining us. Pooja, his charges against the finance minister yesterday saw a barrage of counterclaims as well. But now Kejriwal making another statement, which is said to be a political storm as well, saying the CBI is working at the behest of the centre.
This is the fresh claim of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal that the CBI or somebody perhaps in the CBI has informed him that now they've got apparently orders to target all opposition parties. Let's not forget that from the very first day when his office was raided, primarily and specifically that of Principal Secretary Rajinder Kumar, he had claimed that it was his office. And interestingly, he had got support from the JDU, from the TMC, even from certain quarters of the Congress party. Now today, again, with this allegation from Delhi Chief Minister, is this going to again become a joint, united opposition front? And will other political parties also now perhaps push for more support for Arvind Kejriwal, considering he has said that other opposition parties are also attacking? So while this is a claim and it remains to be seen if this will take place, this could also be a strategy of the Aam Aadmi Party, clearly to form a very strong front. But I can also confirm to you that sources from the party and the government say they will not back out from the controversy. They will continue to charge at the centre. They will continue to charge directly at the finance minister. And after DDC expose yesterday, even though it was attacked by the BJP, the AAP says one more expose very soon with regard to the Hockey Federation. So definitely all guns blazing by the Aam Aadmi Party, whether or not it will have support of the opposition. But definitely as of now, at least 3 to 4 parties have definitely become against the centre and perhaps more support for Kejriwal. Now,
will it be another shoot and scoot charge that we saw yesterday? Old charges, no fresh evidence to them. Thanks, Pooja, for joining us.